Hey y'all. Thank you for joining me. If you can share this to your page, that'll be awesome. If you guys can hear me okay, please press 1. If you cannot hear me okay, or if you can't hear me, press 2 or let me know something. We're going to take a quick minute to discuss impulse shopping and some of the things that I had to do to help me navigate through it. When you're in college, they offer you free food in exchange for signing up for a credit card. And when you're like 18 years old, you don't know. You're just going to go ahead and you're going to apply for the card because it's free food and you're in college and you're hungry. Hey, Ebony. If you can share this to your page, that'll be great. So, you go to college. They tell you, come over to the Quiznos. I don't know if I should be throwing out names, but I don't even think it's over there anymore. Come over to the Quiznos. When you get there, there's a guy with a table, and he's like, hey, you guys, go ahead and apply for this credit card. And then you apply for the card, and they give you like a free meal in exchange. Greatest hustle ever, because college students are always hungry. Worst thing ever, because you get got every time. How you doing, Chevy? Thank you for joining us. If you guys can share it to your page, that'll be awesome. So you get there, there's a table, a guy is trying to sign you up for credit cards. Of course you're going to do it because it's a free meal. Fast forward to graduation. Graduated from college, 21 years old, living life and enjoying it, single and no kids. And I have picked up a shopping habit. I'm spending money as fast as I'm making it. It was a great time. And what I realized is that there were some issues that I was beginning to have with spending. So I created a system for myself to determine, is this something that I need? If it is, how do I feel about it? And were all my other necessities taken care of before I had this one? So just really quickly, when you're an impulse buyer, it's kind of hard to just kind of turn that off. So a lot of times when I get credit counseling clients, I'll tell them, look, don't beat yourself up if you can't instantly stop spending money. You didn't get that way overnight. You're not going to stop spending money overnight. The goal is to try, but it's just not going to happen that way. So there's 3 steps or 3 things that I would always ask, or that I currently ask myself when it comes to buying things, because it's easy to see something, especially if you have children, nieces, nephews, and you're like, oh, cute, and you instantly think cost is low, it's okay, go ahead and buy it. So the first thing that I always question to myself is, can I pay cash for this item? So if I see something that I like, can I pay cash? If I can pay cash, then I'll go to my next question. If I cannot pay cash, then I will not go any further with the purchase that I see that I feel like I want. The second question is, will I want or need whatever this item is this bad tomorrow? So if I see a pair of shoes that I love, will I need or want these shoes equally as bad tomorrow as I do right now at this moment? And if I feel like that answer is yes, then I'll go to my next question, which is usually, are my necessities paid for? And usually by the time I got to that answer, the question was no. So if I answered no to any of the 3, then I understood that this impulse purchase was not something that I needed to do. So I'll go through that one more time. So if I saw, let's say I saw a shirt or a pair of shoes that I felt like I just had to have, pedicure, nails, whatever the case may be, is this something I can pay cash for? If I answered yes, I'd go to the next one. Are my necessities paid for? Meaning, is my electric paid for? Is my water paid for? The things that I need, my cell phone, car insurance, car note, is all of that paid for? If the answer was yes, then I'll go to the next one, which is, will I need or want this item equally as bad tomorrow? And I make myself wait. That's the trade-off with answering that question about, is this something I'll equally want as bad tomorrow? If you can wait for it and you still want it the same way the next day, all your bills are paid for, and you can afford to pay for it cash, then yeah, sure, go ahead and get it. But if you see an item and if you answer no to any of those, then it's likely that you don't need it. I need you guys to talk to me. Let me know, what do you think about this method? Do you think that this is something that can work for you? Do you think it can work for your friends? If you do think it can work for your friends, share it to your page so that they can learn more about how to overcome impulse purchases, because, people aren't talking about that. It's okay to save money, and it's okay to make money, but if you're blowing it just as fast as you make it, what's the point of making it? I mean, I'm just saying. So do you guys have any questions? What are your thoughts? If you didn't know, I am the owner of Payton Credit Services. I'm also a realtor. I specialize in helping people with low credit, no credit. It's no problem. We can help you become mortgage ready. So these are just some of the steps that I take to help myself and that I use to help myself overcome impulse purchases and buying, and hopefully it can help you guys too. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, please take a moment and share, and thank you for watching.